Here we're given a line which passes through the points 450, 2.5 and 550, 2, also passes through the points A0 and 0b. So we want to determine the sum A plus B. And so we want to express our answer as an exact decimal. All right. Now one way that I thought about this was, instead of coming up with an equation, was to notice that the x and the y values, they form a progression that you can follow. So here, if you notice, the y values go down by -1/2. So that means the next one is 1.5, the next one is 1, the next one is 0.5, and then the one after that is going to be 0. Now as we do that, the x values go up by 100. So if I follow that, we get 650, we get 750, we get 850, and we get 950. So that's our value for A, right there. Now, we can also go backwards to figure out the value of B, because that's when we want the x-coordinate to be 0. So if we do that, we can go, let's see, let's put 450, 2.5 down here. So now this goes 350, 250, 150, 50. So here we're going up by 1/2. So we have 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5. Now here's where people will get a little bit confused, because the next number is going to be -50, 5. So, but what we want is we want 0. So what's halfway in between 5 and 4.5? Well, that's going to be 4.75. So that's going to be our value for B. So you can take 950 plus 4.75, and you get 954.75. So this is an alternative way from finding the equation, because, well, it may, with the slope being as small as it is, you're going to have some really small fractions to contend with. Can you get it? Absolutely you can, but I just wanted to show you a different way.